Hey, everybody. This week I wanted to talk about photo apps and mobile apps. In this pandemic, they've become very popular. We are currently no longer seeing insurance adjusters coming out to the shop to review damage or to go over damage on vehicles. And so, what insurance companies have gotten in the habit of this, and some of them had them in place already, is these photo apps or mobile apps. And there's a couple problems with this. One of them is that you've never been trained on how to take photo damage for your vehicle. And the other thing is the photo apps or the mobile apps don't have enough room on them for you to take enough photos to document what the vehicle really needs to have repaired. It's not uncommon that these days we're seeing that initial estimate that somebody sent in as a photo app or the phone app or a mobile app, and they might have $1,000 on it, and we can write another $3,000 or $4,000 just of visible damage. When we do these, when we submit documentation, photos, and information and repair procedures and that kind of stuff to the insurance company these days, we're sending anywhere between 30 to 50 pictures. So there's no way you're going to be able to get 30 pictures on a phone app. You can't even get 10 on it. So at that point, and the insurance company is aware of this. They want you to do this because at that point, that initial estimate, they write it for $1,000. If you cash the check and don't fix the car, they're saving thousands and thousands of dollars. It also slows down the repair process because at the repair shop end, what we have to do now is document all this additional damage and send it into them. And like I said, when we send in pictures, we're sending in 30 to 50 pictures, and those pictures all have a description and the body parts. You don't know the names of some of the parts you're taking pictures of. You can't take enough pictures, and we can describe exactly what's been done and why we need the dollar amount that we need to repair the vehicle. So a word to the wise. Now, I want you to realize as well, a word to the wise is that regardless of whether you're going to have your car fixed or you're cashing out, you want to have an estimate written that's got all this documentation, because if you're fixing the car, it's going to really speed up the repair process. If you're going to cash out and take the money and run, you will get thousands of dollars more to put into your pocket. Now, one of the things that we've had in place for quite a while and has become even more popular now is on-site estimates. So we can come on site. You don't have to leave your house, or you can do it in your parking lot at where you work. But we do on-site estimates. Call us at 847-526-1343. And what we do is we come on site, we document, and we can take, like I said, up to 30 to 50 pictures. We can write an itemized list of everything that needs to be done to repair the vehicle, and we give you all of that. This is one of our free services. We send you an email, and it has all those photos. It has a description of all the damage that needs to be repaired that we can see initially without disassembling the vehicle, so you can still drive the car. And then we send that to you as an email, and that's all ready for you to submit to the insurance company with everything they need. And now you get a whole lot more money up front if you're going to cash out, or we've helped you speed up the repair process because we've already gotten the majority of the damage that we can see already documented. And at that point, once the vehicle is disassembled, we can document anything else we find and then send that to the insurance company a lot quicker than trying to do it all at one point with this big pile of stuff that they left off because you only sent 3 or 4 pictures. So again, if we can help with this or you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us at 847-526-1343. Thanks, and have a safe week.